Welcome to Sri Ved International School, Standard 11, Chapter number 4, that is Principle of Mathematical Induction. We know that we have done some sums of this chapter. The type is sum of first n terms. आपको पता होगा कि जो फर्स्ट टाइप हमारी चल रही है उसमें मैं ले रहा हूँ कि sum of first n terms. There are four kinds of sums in this chapter. फिर डिविजिबल वाले आएंगे, फिर फंक्शन वाले और फिर इनइक्वालिटी वाले. सो ये फर्स्ट टाइप है कि पी एन मीन्स सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन टर्म्स. अभी सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन टर्म्स में भी दो तीन अलग अलग टाइप्स है. फर्स्ट टाइप वाज कि जिसमें न्यूमरेटर में सारी टर्म थी, मतलब 1 + 2 + 3, 1 + 3 + 5, 2 + 4 + 8 लाइक दिस. नाउ देखो अभी डिनोमिनेटर में टर्म्स आ रही है, सो इट इज अनदर टाइप. ओके, मेथड रिमेन्स सेम कि P1 is true, that we have to prove Pk is true, we will accept this and then we will prove Pk + 1 is true. Getting or not? So we'll start from P1. For P1, taking n is equal to 1, so LHS. Now what is the meaning of Pn? फिर से the meaning of Pn is what? Sum of first n terms. It is nth term. ये भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि it is leader of this sum, leader of this sequence, leader of this statement. So sum of n terms, Pn is sum of n terms, Pk will be sum of first k terms, P5 का मतलब होगा sum of first 5 terms. So what will be meaning of P1? P1 बनेगा sum of first 1 term. So it is 1/2. Now RHS. In RHS, taking n is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 1, that is 1 minus 1/2. So half minus 1 minus half, that is half. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, and therefore P1 is true. Let Pk be true. Let Pk be true. If Pk is true, then the statement will be, the meaning of Pk is sum of first k terms. It is leader, nth term is leader. In nth term, taking n is equal to k. So the statement will be 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1 upon 2 raised to k is 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to k. It is our Pk. ये हमें ले लेना है. So let Pk be true. Now to prove Pk plus 1 is true, we have to prove, चलो मुझे स्टेटमेंट बनाना है Pk plus 1. The meaning of Pk plus 1 is sum of first k plus 1 terms, but already we have k terms. In this sum of k terms, if we add only the k plus 1th term, it will be sum of first k plus 1 terms. So write down this k terms. So 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1 upon 2 raised to k. Now we have requirement of k plus 1th term. Who will give it? Obvious leader will give it. Who is leader? Kth term is the leader. Nth term is leader. In nth term, putting n is equal to k, it will give k plus 1th term. So if we put n is equal to k plus 1, it will be k plus 1th term. In RHS also, taking n is equal to k plus 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to k plus 1. This is called sum of first k plus 1 terms is this. ये हमें प्रूव करना है, right? So we will start from the LHS. LHS. What is LHS? 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1 upon 2 raised to k plus 1 upon 2 raised to k plus 1. But by 1, in every sum, same method, by 1 Pk is true. So putting this value, instead of first k terms, write down 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to k plus k plus 1 term equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to k plus, using law of indices, bases are same, relation is multiplication, addition of exponent. Now see, from these two terms 1 upon 2 raised to k is being common, minus 1 upon 2 raised to k मैंने कॉमन लिया, then this will be 1 माइनस यहाँ पे बचा सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1/2, obvious 1 minus half gives half, so 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to k into 1 upon 2, it is वापस it is law of indices. So relation is multiplication, bases are same, so addition of exponent is 1 upon 2 raised to k plus, oh it is our RHS, see it is our RHS, therefore p k plus 1 is 3. So pk is true implies pk plus 1 is true, and therefore pn is true for all n belongs to n. Clear? Okay, so on the next sum, now next question, 1 upon 2 into 5, this is our Pn, 1 upon 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 8 up to 1 upon 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2 equal to prove n upon 6n plus 4. Now see, it is little different. कैसे हुआ है डिफरेंट? तो आगे वाले सम में डिनोमिनेटर में एक एक ही टर्म थी, whereas here there are two terms. So in this kind of sums there are also varieties. क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? तो डिनोमिनेटर में दो दो टर्म्स आ गई, 1 upon 2 into 5, 1 upon 5 into 8, 1 upon 8 into 11, जैसे you can make. बराबर? तो ये भी मेथड हमारी रहेगी सेम, P1 प्रूव करो, Pk ले लो, Pk plus 1 प्रूव करो, वे इज सेम, vehicle are different, it is another vehicle, so we have to mind it, हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि vehicle चेंज हो चुका है. So we'll start from P1. For P1, taking n is equal to 1. The meaning of n is equal to 1. The meaning of P1 is sum of first one term. We have LHS, that is 1 upon 2 into 5. That will be 1 by 10. Now in RHS also taking n is equal to 1. So it will be 1 upon 6 plus 4. Oh, it is also 1 by 10. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. And therefore P1 is true. Let Pk be true. If Pk is true, then the statement will be 1 upon 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 8 till taking n is equal to k in nth term. It gives kth term. Because it is leader of the statement, this sequence also we can say equal to k upon 6, k plus 4 is number 1. Ready or not? To prove Pk plus 1 is true, we have to prove, चल The meaning of pk plus 1 is what? Sum of first k plus 1 terms. But already we have k terms. So just add k plus 1th term in sum of k plus k terms. Just add k plus 1th term in sum of k terms. So it gives sum of first k plus 1 terms. So 1 upon 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 8 plus it is kth term. So 1 upon 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2. Now derive k plus 1th term. चलो यहाँ पे k plus 1th term लाने के लिए taking n is equal to k plus 1. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Expand this 3k plus 3 minus 1. 3k plus 3 minus 1 gives 3k plus 2. In the same way here, taking n is equal to k plus 1. 3 into k plus 1 plus 2. Now simplify it. 3k plus 3 plus 2 gives 3k plus 5 is equal to, in RHS also we have to take n is equal to k plus 1. Taking k plus 1 in place of n. So what will be denominator? Numerator तो बनेगा k plus 1. Denominator बनेगा 6k plus 6 plus 4 means 6k plus 10. So to prove pk plus 1 is true, we have to prove this equal to this. So start your train from LHS and then prove something. ये कौन से टाइप के सम्स है? Sum of first n terms is something. So start from LHS. LHS is 1 upon 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 8 plus and so on 1 upon 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2 plus 1 upon 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. But by 1 we know that sum of first k terms is this. So using this result, it will be k upon 6k plus 4 plus k plus 1th term, that is 1 upon 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. एक और स्टेप में सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूं. देखो यहां से k अपॉन टेकिंग 2 कॉमन, सो 2 into 3k plus 2 plus 1 upon 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Now LCM लेना पड़ेगा. What will be LCM? 2 into 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. जिसके डिनोमिनेटर में जो नहीं है उससे इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो. इसके पास क्या नहीं है भाई? 3k plus 5 मल्टीप्लाई करो. इसके पास क्या नहीं है? 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो. बटे में 2 into 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Expand the numerator. It will be 3k plus 1 3k square plus 5k plus 2 upon 2 into 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Now factors हो रहे हैं कि नहीं? चलो factors हो रहे हैं और होंगे. 3k plus 2 into k plus 1 upon 2 into 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. पर ये तो चल बसा भाई. बचा तो क्या बचा? k plus 1 upon 2 into 3k plus 5 6k plus 10. Oh ho, it is RHS. Check it. Therefore p k plus 1 is true. So pk is true implies pk plus 1 is true. So the result is true for all n belongs to n. Done. So इसी टाइप के मैं आपको होमवर्क में 2-3 क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं. प्लीज नोट डाउन कर लेना. राइट. 3 more questions I am giving you for the homework. One upon 1 into 4, 4 into 7, 7 into 10 till 1 upon 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1 is n upon 3n plus 1. Second one is 1 upon 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus 7 into 9 till 1 upon 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3 is n upon 2 into 2n plus 3. And the last one, 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 into 4 till 1 upon n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is n into n plus 3 upon 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. These three sums you have to do in the homework. और बाकी के जो दूसरे टाइप के सम्स है वो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. आज यहाँ तक रखते हैं. ओके, सी यू, टाटा.